We are ready to begin lesson 19. We're going to do our capital H and our capital I today. And then we're going to write 6 words. Okay, so we'll take our colored pencil and we're going to make, like we did yesterday, I'm going to have you make a lowercase and then a capital so you can see how the cursive fits on top of the printed, both of them. So make a lowercase h, start tall, pull down, push up to 10 rather, 2, and then pull it down. And then your capital H is just a straight line down, make a second straight line down, and join them together. So pick up, watch me make the cursive first, and then you can make it after me. So we'll put just a little bit of an upswing, kind of a little bit of an upswing there. Pull straight down. Then we're going to pick up our pencil. And we're going to start right above there. We're going to pull down, don't pick up. You're going to push back up kind of on an angle and then come back out. So you push up and see, you're keeping your pencil down to make the cross because it takes less time. And then sometimes this goes right on into the next letter. Okay, so let's do it. Make a little bit of a swing there, upswing, pull it down. Pick up your pencil, pull it down, push up so that you go back to the first line at the middle there, and then bring it back across the midline. Some people make a fancy loop in there, and you can do that if you want to. But I think you better keep it plain until you really get good at it. Okay, so now do the capital. A little bit of an upswing, pull down. Pull it down, push back up, there, right like that. Okay, now make another one without any help. Make another one. And that's your capital H. Okay, now we're going to make an I. Skip a line, make a lowercase I, make sure you dot it, and then make a capital I and the crossbars, the top and the bottom. You know, we use the capital I a lot in writing because every time we write the pronoun I, we must capitalize it. So you really want to master this one. You'll use it probably more than any other capital letter, except maybe the T because we use the word the a lot, and maybe an A, we use it a lot at the beginning of a word, sentences. But capital I, we use at the beginning, in the middle, everywhere, whenever we write the word I. Okay, so watch how I'm going to make it. I'm going to start at the baseline, and I'm going to go against the way I write. I'm going to loop up, come back down, and then make. Okay, so we go up, we loop, come back, and we do that. And that's all there is to it. Okay, go ahead and make yours. So you're going to start at the baseline, loop it up, nice and fat, come back, curve it, and then put that line on it. Some people get a little fancy there, but this is fine for us right now. Okay, we're going to loop it up all the way up, come back down, and put that on. Okay, now let's make one without anything. Make another one. And make one more. And I do want you to practice this one more. Now pick up our blue pencil or circling pencil. Look at your H, circle your best one. Look at your I's and circle your best one. Now take your orange pencil and we're going to write, skip a line, and we're going to write the word crib. Crib, like a baby crib. C-R-I-B. Write it again. C-R-I-B. In case you're wondering why I picked certain words, it's because I wanted you to work with certain letter combinations. Plus, I wanted you to work with certain words that had letters at the end of a word to see how you do it and all. So let's talk it. We're going to start upswing, curve to 2. Make a C. Upswing, shortcut R. Come down the baseline. Upswing, make an I. Upswing hook, make your B. And when you get to the end of your B, be sure you put your dip. Dot your I. Okay, talk to yourself, talk your thinking as you make the next one. And then talk your thinking softly, very softly, as you make one with no help. Be sure you dot your I. Pick up your pencil and circle what you think is your best one. Okay, pick up your pencil, skip a line, and we're going to write the word snow. S-N-O-W. And probably when I join my S and N together, I'm not going to have enough room because I've got to have some bump room there. But that's okay. Okay, pick up our pencils together. Let's talk it. Upswing to starting point, shortcut an S, upswing, bump for the N, make the N, upswing, curve to 2, make the O, dip, curve for W, dip. So see what happened? I didn't have enough space to do cursive there. That may happen to you sometimes. That's okay. Upswing. Go ahead and make it. Talk it out loud. Get that bump in. Get your W curves and be sure you have the dip at the end. So you have two dips there from the O and from the W. Okay, now write one, no help. Okay, see which one you think is your best. And I'm going to just tell you some things I'm thinking about mine. I like this one. It all sits on the baseline. We have pretty much all the same parallel lines, but look, my N is a lot smaller. My W got very big at the end. See right here, I think this one's my best one, even when it was kind of crowded because of the spacing and the size. Pick up your pencil, and we're going to write the word swing. Skip one line. S-W-I-N-G. S-W-I-N-G. Okay, talk with me. We're going to upswing to the starting point, shortcut. Upswing, make the W. Dip to the I, make the I, upswing, bump for the N, upswing over to 2, make your G, cross the baseline, dot the I. So you have to watch that upswing, or I'm sorry, that dip as you go into the I. Go ahead and get the dip there. Okay, that was one of the reasons I chose this word. Did you get 3 of them written? Pick your best one. Okay, skip 2 lines this time because we have this tail. So I'm going to skip 2 lines, and I'm going to write the word brake. This is the brake that you do when you brake, when you slow down the car, you put on the brakes, or you slow down your bike and you put on your brakes. Okay, so this is the B-R-A-K-E. Write it again. B-R-A-K-E. Okay. Pick up your pencil. Let's talk together. Upswing, hook, pull it down to make the B, pinch it in, dip to the R. Shortcut. Down, curve up to the 2, make your A, upswing, hook it back to make the K, get that curve in, down to the baseline, upswing into the E. Let's do that again. Upswing, pinch, dip, shortcut, down to the baseline, upswing over to 2, make an A, upswing, curve. There. Write it one more time, and then I want to talk to you about something. Okay, sometimes the B and the R are hard to make. And if you find there are any combinations as you're practicing that you struggle with, they kind of slow you down and trip you, then take those combinations and just break them apart, especially like a BR, that's a blend, okay? And just break it apart and just write B, R, and just practice that blend until you feel like you get a combination. And part of it is that you have to know what it needs to look like, and you get comfortable with the looks of it too. So pick up your color pencil for circling. Circle your best break. Our next word is trouble. Did this give you trouble? Okay, skip 2 lines and write the word trouble. T-R-O-U-B-L-E. Write it again. T-R-O-U-B-L-E. Okay, I'm going to pick up my pencil. Talk with me as we make our thinking out loud as we make the first one. Upswing, pull back down, make your T. Upswing, shortcut the R. Come to the baseline, upswing over to 2, make O. Okay, dip into the U, now make the U. Upswing, hook it back. Make the B, pinch it in. Now on the dip, stay high on your dip, go right on into the L, and then bring it down, and then make your E, and cross. Okay, do it again, and you talk it to yourself. And then make one without any help. Take your circling pencil, circle the one you think is your best. Then our last word is a fun word. Blizzard. When I say it first, I think of a snow blizzard, and then sometimes I think of Dairy Queen that has the blizzards in the summertime that I like. Okay, B, blizzard, B-L, I, Z, and then you have 2 Z's. A-R-D. Wow, we have 8 letters there to connect. Blizzard, B-L-I-Z-Z-A-R-D. Okay, let's talk through the first one. We're going to upswing and hook it back to make the B. Tall upswing, hook, pull it down, curve, pinch your B. Now dip and go into the upswing for the L, loop it. Come all the way down, upswing short, make an I. Upswing, and then remember to make those curves and come back. Now we're going to upswing and make another Z. And then we upswing over to 2, make an A. Upswing, shortcut. The R, come down, upswing, curve to 2. And make your D. Dot the I. That was a lot of writing. Okay, make the next one, and I won't talk, but you talk it out loud, you're thinking. Okay, now I'm going to make one more. Okay, that's a long one. You have to keep your pencil down longer, don't you? 8 letters. Pick up your circling pencil and circle the one that you think is your best one. And that completes. We have more room down here to practice. And on some of them we have 2 lines for practice, but that completes our lesson 19 of cursive handwriting. Lesson 19.